What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're working on my friend's Mustang. This is Caleb, everybody.
How you doing?
So it's a SVT. What year is it?
99 SVT Cobra. It's
99.
got an 01 Cobra swap though.
Okay, nice.
So the engine is not the 99 stock.
So it's an 01?
Yeah, it's got the 99 body with an 01 Cobra engine.
Okay, nice. Convertible.
The previous owner, there was a problem with the 99 Ford intake manifolds and ECU. So he decided, and basically it wasn't putting out the advertised 320 horsepower. So the previous owner decided to swap the engine with an 01.
That's awesome.
To get the full 320.
Sweet.
And so, yeah.
That's great. Well, yeah, guys, today we're going to be doing a muffler delete, straight piping it, so we'll have to see how that goes. Right now it's got a leak somewhere. I think one of the clamps broke off or something.
He hit a rock.
Yeah, he hit a rock. Guys, we need to get, let's get a 6-inch lift for this thing, you know, get some 35s on her. Oh, goodness, that'll be sad.
35 drag radial.
Oh, that works. Yep, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to start. We got it lifted up. So we got some jack stands back there. So you can see under there, the mufflers. It's got a MagnaFlow system all the way back. So we're going to be taking... Are we going to leave the cats? Are we going to leave the cats? Okay, we're leaving the cats and just taking off the mufflers. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, here we are. We got the mufflers off. So now it's just cat back. It's got an H pipe under there. I'll show you. Let's see if you can see that. Right there. And then it all goes all the way back there. And then you can see Caleb over there. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi!
And then so... Yeah, but this thing is basically mint condition. It's a beautiful car. Now, we're going to see if we can get her down.
The previous owner also installed a...
I saw that. I said, huh.
A hitch. So, not sure what they were thinking with that one.
No. Maybe they're going to tow a camper.
Yeah.
Towing a camper.
That'd be good.
There we go, yeah. We're going to take this down, and then we'll come back when we got back on the ground, so we're going to do an exhaust clip. Okay, guys, are you ready for the big reveal? Because I am. Now, I've never heard a straight pipe Mustang Cobra before, so this...
It's not really straight pipe yet.
Well, I mean, we still got the cat's H pipe, but...
And it's not like there's no exhaust tips yet. It's just dumped right underneath.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's hungry. She wants to go eat some people. Okay, so I'm gonna go. We're gonna go ahead and head on to the store.